You guys ready for another harvest? Cause I have 2 baskets this time. My alpine strawberries are coming to an end, but I still see some berries in here. Blueberries are still going, maybe for another week or 2, and I think I spot a cuke. Oh my god, it's a little cucumber. The first batch of green beans is starting to come in. Oh, look how cute they look. Not a bad harvest for first pickings. I have 144 green beans that just started, and the harvest will grow. And those are purple ones. It'll be maybe a week or 2 till they are able to harvest. Oh, what a fat, stout one. Ooh. Mixed salads and a couple onions in case I want to add it to dinner. I got a pretty colorful harvest. Some things are starting to slow down and other things are starting to come in.